Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a little while since I spoke to you last, unless you've been watching my vlog videos with my travelling around Orlando with my girlfriend and her family. In today's video I'm going to basically showing you what I've got all behind me, some of the little things that I've purchased along the way on our 3-week vacation, and basically what the sort of prices are that I was looking at to get. I've got some cool stuff for you. I've got some technology which I bought, which is going to be used in the videos which I'm going to be making soon for you, and I've also bought some clothes and other bits and bobs which are a lot cheaper out here than they are in the UK. So I'm not going to convert it into pounds. However, the current exchange rate is about 1.42. Basically, the exchange rate is really good. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, I got this thing from the Art of Shaving. Well, this is a bag. Basically, I needed some new hair gel sort of stuff, better than the stuff VO5 rubbish that I'm using at the moment. This is basically called a Hands Defuco. Don't know if you can see that over there. Yeah, it's not going to focus, it sucks. Never mind. Basically, it's Hands Defuco. It's basically some cool clay motion stuff. It's about $24, so it worked out about £17. Not bad. So obviously I went to Calvin Klein as well. Calvin Klein's really cheap up here, especially if you go to some of the outlet places. Which we did, which was good. So I'm going to start off with this. So I've got this jumper. This Calvin jumper. I don't know whether you can see this, pretty cool. It's basically just a plain jumper, Calvin on it. This was meant to be $69.50 dollars wise. And I believe I paid $34 for it, which isn't bad. Worked out about £23, I think, something like that. I also got, what else did I get? No, this is a t-shirt. It's like one of them like pajama weird, like comfy tops. Yeah, very cool looking material. It just feels nice to wear. I think this is meant to be $34. I paid $13 for it. Bargain. Literally like £7, something like that. I also got these like comfy bed short things. These were also meant to be about $34. Once again, paid $13.60 for them. So once again, another bargain. Right, so I also went to Ralph Lauren. I'll show you these. Ralph Lauren over here is a lot cheaper than it is in the UK. So I've got this like jumper looking t-shirt, long sleeve thing. Pretty nice. This cost, it was meant to be $44.99. It cost me, I believe, $28. It's a pretty good bargain, to be fair. Worked out like £20. And then I got one of these like V-neck jumper thing, or not V-neck, one of these like zip-up things. I got one of these already. I don't know if you can see that, it's pretty cool. I got one of these already, but I bought it from home and it was about £50 in one of the outlet stores, but it was $39, but I think that's without discount. I think it worked out about $33. So that's literally like £40 for both of them together, which isn't bad at all really. It's so much cheaper. Ralph Lauren out here is just so much cheaper than it is at home. So if you're ever thinking about buying that sort of stuff, buy it here. Right, I've also got this massive Converse bag. This has 3 pairs of shoes in it, only one of which are mine. But this was a deal which I couldn't really tell. Oh shit, the shoes have fell out. Basically. So I saw these Converse like white high top things. These are in the UK are about £60, I think. £60. I paid $24. $24, £18. The price was that good out to get my brother a pair of the low ones of these, £18. It was again, that's like $24. I got my mum a pair as well. And the total cost altogether was $74, including tax. That's just ridiculously cheap, and you'd never find a deal like that in the UK. Not £18 for a pair of Converses, unless they're like really ugly and just in some random shop. Matthew, I hope you enjoy yours, and Mum, I hope you also enjoy your shoes I bought you. So this bag is a bit just too big to pick up, like, and just hold in front of me. So I'm gonna hold it here. This massive Ugg bag. Had loads of stuff in it. So start off, we bought this like blanket looking thing. $29. Me and Amanda got it just for chilling at home with. Plus it felt really soft and it was $29. Bargain. First we get here. Yeah, so in here, basically I've got smug slippers at home, but they're just a bit worn out now, so I wanted a new pair. So I got these. It's hard to get black ones this time. Like the same sort of ones that I had before. My other ones are like leather, these are like suede. They got fluff and everything down here. $48. That works out, I think it worked out about £32. £32 for a pair of Ugg slippers. You pretty much go to Tesco's and pay that price. And the last thing that we got from Ugg was, it's going to be a bit big to hold up. I need to get it the right way around as well. Basically I've got this old dressing gown. Probably won't be able to see it too much. But yeah, it's basically quite a lot. It's quite thin but cosy, and it's quite heavy as well. But I've got a dressing gown at home, but it's just like really annoying to wear because it makes it just get really, really hot. But this is quite thin, but it's like a really nice material. This was $48 as well. Well, actually, it wasn't quite. It's $49.99. So works out like £35 for an UGG dressing gown at home. I think they're like 120 quid, so bargain. So finally, this turned up. This is a Billy jumper. This is by Casey Neistat's wife's company called Candice. I met Casey Neistat a few weeks ago before I went on holiday. And I also met Candice as well, and she helped get me this jumper and allowed me to get Amanda one as well. Not this one, she got some like a cashmere one that's really, really nice. So she's got one of them videos, I think, somewhere showcasing hers. But yeah, they're really, really comfy jumpers. I'd advise going to get one if you're looking for a jumper like that. So this is a little Tiffany bag. You're probably thinking, why have you been to Tiffany's? But they do some pretty cool men's jewellery, and I spotted this little thing while I was in there. I'm going to take out the little box. I'm going to completely ruin the ribbon here. Well, this is pretty much going to stay here anyway. I'll do it back up, but I'm wearing it on the flight home tomorrow because I don't really want to have it go missing. So I don't know if you can see, there comes this little pouch thing inside the box. So I'm going to open it up, and basically it's like a steel box chain, like Venetian ID tag one. So you can get it engraved as well if you want. I probably will at some point, but I've got one that's slightly similar, but it's not from Tiffany's. It's like titanium at the moment, but I'm gonna get this engraved at some point. But yeah, it's pretty nice. So I wanted to treat myself to that. I think my mum's gonna put a little bit towards that because she said she wanted to give me a little bit of money for going away with. So all in all, quite a nice purchase. Plus Tiffany out here, for girls and boys, is a lot cheaper than it is at home. Especially with exchange rate, they're pretty much the same price in dollars as they are in pounds. Except when the exchange rate is this good, it works out a lot cheaper. The final thing for me, which I want to show you guys, which is going to probably make the most difference to my videos. You can see this is the front of the box, but we got the DJI Mavic Pro Alpine White, and we bought it from Apple in the Florida Mall. It cost $1,149 including tax. It came with 3 flight batteries, and yeah, obviously some guys may know what the Mavic Pro's like, but it's like one of the best professional, well, it's not even a professional drone technically at the moment, but it's one of the best drones out there on the market. Kind of like best reviews, getting up there with like the Phantom 4 Pro, stuff like that. So I have actually got the drone with me right here. We've been flying it around a little bit, it's pretty cool. I've got another video coming out on that at some point, and we've got some cool footage for a 5-litre Ford Mustang review that I've done earlier on in the holiday with this. So yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. But yeah, we spent quite a bit of money this holiday. Amanda spent a lot as well, and so has her parents. But you know, when you're here, you kind of can't really help it. You kind of see the deals and you're like, oh, I'm never going to get this at home, so you treat yourself. And it's like, I guess, the January sales at home. You know, people go, oh, I'm never going to see this deal again, and go and buy loads of stuff. But yeah, you probably won't get it as cheap as you do in America, honestly. It's clothes, all the big American designer brands are so much cheaper out here. But I would note as well, a lot of the English brands like Ted Baker, All Saints and stuff like that are really expensive here compared to at home. So if you're ever looking for them brands, make sure you buy them at home instead of buying them in the US. But yeah, technology wise, cameras and stuff, a lot cheaper out here. You know, this drone was, the actual price for this drone at home is £1,199. We worked out that we paid £806 for this drone, which is not bad at all. So we pretty much saved ourselves £400. I actually forgot to show you the stuff I got from Michael Kors, so let me just add that in quickly. I will show you now. So I got a few bits and bobs from Michael Kors. This was really cheap. Well, it's not. It was about $260 for the lot. So I will showcase that to you now. So starting off, I got this little box here, which is basically, I wanted one of these for a little while. It's basically got a, I don't know if you can see that in there, it's a card holder. Has a few slots in it, pretty cool. It's got about like 8 slots. Basically means it can replace my wallet and I can just take that out and about to work when I need to. So that was $20. What a bargain. That worked out at about something like 18 quid, not even that. Cashmere Michael Kors jumper. This worked out at $70, which means it was about 50, I think at the time it was £52. For a cashmere jumper, that is really cheap. Polo shirt, it's like one of them weird material ones. It's quite nice. For that was $24, I think. Like at home, these would be like 50 quid. So when you're paying the sort of prices you're paying for them here, you may as well just buy them while you can. I also got this jumper here, which is a grey Michael Kors. I got a black version of this as well. It's really nice, pretty chilled, just like chill out in this sort of thing. Use it when you want some comfy clothes. This cost $27.50. What a bargain. At home, when I saw that jumper, £70 just for the jumper. That's what I mean, like, because it's an American brand, it's so much cheaper over here compared to what it is at home. It's just not worth buying at home. If you're coming to the States or you know someone that is, get them to go to one of the Vineland premium outlet centres. I don't know if anyone's ever been to Bicester Village. Bicester Village is quite cheap, but like it's nowhere near in comparison to what it is out here, especially for like Ralph Lauren and some of the bigger American brands. I also got this. This is like a weird one. I don't usually wear this sort of stuff. It's like a turtleneck jumper, but it's like cashmere. Right, this was meant to cost $395. $395 for this jumper. It's an amazing material. It's really, really nice, and I really like it. You probably can't see it too well in this, but yeah, really, really nice jumper. Really nice quality as well. $98, I think this was on sale for. It worked out about, I think it was about £70, and for a jumper of that quality, you'd be paying at least 220 in the UK for something like that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've had any experience with shopping in America before, in Orlando or anywhere like that. Orlando does have the lowest sales tax, which is great, 6.5% compared to the 20% we have at home. Yeah, if you've ever played with the DJI Mavic Pro, let me know your thoughts to that as well. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more upcoming content. And be sure to give this video a like as well, it'd be really helpful. So yeah, turn the notifications on with the little bell as well. That's always greatly appreciated. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And if you want any more kind of like idea on the stuff that I've bought or any information, please let me know and I'll be sure to answer that. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you all soon when I'm back in the UK. See ya.